Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to DOOGEE N30. Start by going into Play Store on both devices. Now you need to click on the search bar over here, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then repeat all of those steps on an Android. So I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. After that, you need to click on Receive on DOOGEE and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots, choose Send and send all of your files. But it will take some time, so for example, I will select this one photo, click Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here or scan this QR code. If you want to scan the code, click on the scanning icon on DOOGEE, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we wait, and as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you're not sure, you can always check it out by going into App Files, selecting in my case Images and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!